Hello again. Right, here's my messy gold chart again. So something just occurred to me looking at this and trying to think out loud. I'm going to clean the chart down now, so let's do that. This on the H1 chart, H4 is trying to close above here, reverse up. We can clearly see we are in a pullback, weak pullback as well. There's no momentum. We're not even above the zero line on these pullbacks here, against a strong move down, which still makes me believe that daily level looks interesting. The low of that candle there. Against these two resistance levels here will get closed below tonight. Again, I ought to mention the disclaimer that I haven't done enough recently. Never trade what I talk about, always do your own analysis. Look, momentum's dropped off. We've made a lower high. The chart will confirm that. That's these are all just dropping. I'll just double check that for you. Slightly, by the looks of it. Yeah, it is. I knew my eyes weren't that bad. So low momentum, lower high, daily level there. I know this looks like a hammer as we stand now, with about 2 hours, an hour and a bit to the end of the today, as it were, this daily candle. H4, as I say, that looks decidedly bearish, just looking at the RSI. Again, you never marry a trade, just trade what the charts are telling me. If this is even going to attempt to go long, we need a H4 close above that level, but I would prefer to see an H4 close, a confirmation, call it what you like, with some sort of momentum there. Something like this over here, H4 close, boom, momentum. Here, H4 close, momentum. Sweet FA there, to be honest with you. So then we're looking at H1. That hasn't even got any momentum up there either. So, and the H1 chart, now this is a swing trend chart. High, low, lower high, lower low, pullback, continuation potential. So all I'm trading is the candlestick analysis. Swing trend is telling us this is just a pullback. We can clearly see that now. We have got a descending trend line that we can connect there, making lower lows, breaking levels, and we connect those two there, that and that, as it pushes through this pullback here, and that's it really. So this is still, in my opinion, bearish, and probably go to the moon now that I've mentioned that, but I don't really care. All I trade, and that's the point I tried to make in the last tweet, in the last video, this H1 reversal, had I been around, I would have traded it, but I wasn't there. So that's it, guys. Just a little bit more food for thought on this gold chart. Oddly enough, I trade anything that moves, to be honest with you, but I used to love trading gold, and then I just stopped looking at it for some reason. But the way it moves, it's an absolute beast, and there's lots of pips to be made, but just on the other side of that coin, there's lots of pips to be lost as well. So we're below a ascending trend line. We've got a H4 as it stands. We are H4 confirmed down. We're trying to break up, but this H4, the difference being this H4 down was below zero, The momentum was starting to push in there, a whole lot different than what we're looking at there. So just something to watch, guys. Thanks for watching, and it is now nearly 9 o'clock in the evening and I'm clocking off.